down. Something must be going on. Sorry about the bumps. We are doing construction in the area. Then let's talk about area confusion. This is a four-way stop. And then I'm the last one here. I see the pedestrian. He's going. I'm going to stop. Now it's my turn. And then I proceed. We have a solid white to our right. Solid double yellow, now a broken yellow. And this road dead ends. I might take you down to the dead end, turn around, come back, so you really understand why I choose this route there. The police there, we following rules, we're good. We're doing what we need to do to be safe. Going slow, follow road. Double yellow again, edge line to the right. I always remind you of this so you don't crash. If your instructor is not educating you about this, teaching you about this, letting you know, you won't learn. And then we want to look up and around the curve. I'm going really slow. Let's take time. Then we're going to stop. I'm going to take you through the whole route. And then we're going to stop at the stop line. We have the right of way. I look left and right. I see the truck. And we're going to take this down. Now we're in a neighborhood. Type in what the speed limit is. There was a house there. We almost hit a child here last summer. One of my adult drivers is not paying attention. If I'd have hit the brake, it would have been a horrible fatality. I tell you these things not to scare you, but to educate you. I want to educate you. Taking my time. Person may not hear me. We got a landscape company scanning. Very scenic, but also very dangerous. And this is to teach you about lane positioning. You're going to see that OG Corvette. Come back and see that. I said that for you. Okay, road ends. We're going to go to the left, go down, circle, and I have you do this to teach you to look. You see me looking? If I don't look where I'm going, I'm going to crash. I don't know what these instructors do. Are they really even teaching you guys? You got to give me some feedback, because you can't just go driving around. You need to educate people. We're going to come up, and then you're going to see that beautiful OG Corvette over there. All my students know that. Yep, there that Corvette is. And I'm staying middle left away from the pedestrian as he walks by. Wave, let him know I see him. It's all about communication. It's a huge more. And then we're going to take this down to the end, and then we're going to be making a right turn, getting on another major road to really keep you mentally engaged and mentally focused. Chill little area in here. Just noticing some of the homes, little hidden treasures. And then we're going to make a right turn up here. And then my look for is, as your teacher, I'm looking, are you going to come up to the stop line? Here, I'm stopped. Are you going to look to the left? There's a bigger gap. A gap is the space. One person said, what is a gap? What is the space? A gap is the space between cars, like a space between your teeth. So I'm coming up, I'm looking, I'm checking, and then I'm going to go in the first lane. If you don't do that, you're going to fail on your test. You have to check traffic. You have to look. Speed is good. We got right up there. Speed limit's 55. I'm at about 50. Yes, this is a very wooded area. We could have deer. We could have tractor riding motorcycles. So we want to be mindful of this. Really beautiful. I needed that break, let me tell you. I feel so refreshed. Like, you appreciate life more when you work hard and then you take a break for several days. And I have a great appreciation for teaching all of you driver's ed, teaching you how to get your test. So we got to come up here and stop. We're going to come up and stop. And then we look, we check, and then look and turn in the nearest lane. Then we're gradually picking up. There, cuss over there, baby. In all that mess. All right, so another curvy road. We have a surprise ahead of us, and this surprise is the challenge, and I'm going to show you guys this. Another scenic route. You have the edge line to the right. It's gravel to the right. So if you go off the road, you're going to crash. We have a broken white, so we can change lanes, and then the solid double yellow. Now we're coming up to a roundabout, so we want to be about 15 miles an hour. So we got to lift our foot off, let that speed drop down, and we got to signal our intention. Yes, if you're going straight through, no blinker. If you are going to the right, which we are, and I look, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and I look to the right, I check, and I'm looking straight through into my turn, looking ahead, checking my turn. Now we have a double yellow, we can't pass. We have guide signs. We're about an I-94 interstate. There's soft shoulder, warning sign of low flying airplane, and we're at about 50. Hey, how are you? When I got fuel, I had to shut down the live. The car is okay. I panicked. You saw me panic. I forgot the blind spot mirror. I ran out. I lost my mind for a second. I hit a curb, but I'm back, E. We keep it real in here. right? We keep it real. So on this road, a lot of beginners panic because you're going to hit a lot of traffic again, okay? Crazy stuff happens, so I had to calm down. So the car I'm in is the driver's seat car. Got new tires, new brakes, new hubcaps, fresh oil change. Oh, now we got to squeeze our brakes. We don't want to run yellow light. You feel me? Because that's just going to cause you to fail your test, get hit, and be injured. We're not trying to do that. So we stop at the stop line. I'm going to show you, you should be looking out of your back window. The camera's got to refocus. Those potholes are so bad. Can you tell the difference? Yes, I definitely can. I tell the difference. I got a green light now. Now I'm going to accelerate. I had a young man almost crash here. He panicked when he saw those cars to the right. So I tell my beginners, leave space, take your time. I lift my foot, I'm letting all this traffic just settle down. Squeeze my brakes. They look like they're from Texas. Okay, they are from Texas. So this is an out-of-time driver. Yeah, they do get really nervous. So this car is from Texas. So this is an omen. You know, my son's gonna end up back in Texas working, training for the UFL, hopefully signing with his new NFL agent, Will Pray. So I'm gonna take you to another area where I take clients because I want to take you through the real life process. Okay, I'm going to get over and we got to make a right turn at this light. Yes, it's really easy to lose focus. So I'm going to go in slow, make my turn. And actually, this is a shortcut through because GPS has us navigate through here because there are like 4 lights. But I'm actually going to go through this area to talk about the dangers of pedestrians, cars, elderly, most vulnerable, pedestrians and elderly. So I'm going to go slow, make my turn, and go in real easy. They probably saying, oh, this is easy. No one's here right now. It's okay. I'm not mad. And I'm just scanning left, middle, and right. Walmart. This is a good area. I'm not repping Walmart. Everyone is different, but I'm just going through. I take my students through here to teach them about pedestrians, crosswalks, and just get, man, I'm a people need to focus on themselves. Yes. And thank you for reminding me of that, E. Well, this girl not even paying attention. See her? She not even paying attention. She almost got ran over. Learn from that. She did not even look. You just think about it. She was too busy in her phone, not paying attention, and literally, she would have got hit. So I'm showing you this so you know.